Hi friends, let us solve this equation. We have under root x squared plus 8x by under root x plus 1 plus under root x plus 7 equals under root 7 by x plus 1. Right. Now, if you see here, there is x squared plus 8x. And this x minus 1 is here, root x minus 1. And here also root root x plus 1 is here. Here also root x plus 1 is here. Right. And if you also see x plus 1, if we multiply this x with x plus 7, we'll get x square plus 8x also. Right. X square plus 8x. If we do x plus 1 into x plus 7, we'll get x square plus 8x plus something. Right. So clearly there is a hint. The hint is use these three. Basically, if you multiply all the three terms with root x plus 1, this one can be converted into this form. And at least this denominator will also disappear. Let us use that and see where we get. Right. We'll multiply all the three terms with root x plus 1. Right. This becomes root x square plus 8x. This becomes root x plus 1 into root x plus 7. This becomes root 7. Right. What does that mean? Root x square plus 8x plus x plus 7 into root x plus 1, which is this. What is this part? This part is x square plus 8x plus 7 equals 7. Now let us see there is x square plus 8x here, x square plus 8x here. Let us call this x square plus 8x as t just for our simplicity while and solve the problem. Right, then it becomes root t plus 7 equals 7. Just by looking at it, we can say that t is 9. Right, root 9 is 3. 3 plus 9 plus 7 is 16. Right, so this is 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Just by looking at it, we can clearly say that t equals 9 is the solution. Right. But then also let us see how do we do this? If at all, because this is 9, it is easy, straightforward. Because also how do we do this? Then then we'll just square on both sides. Then it becomes t plus 7 plus 2 under root 2 into t plus 7 equals 49. We'll further simplify this. Then 2t plus 7 plus 2 under root t into t plus 7 equals 49. Right. Then 2 under root t into t plus 7 will become 49 minus 7, which is 42 minus 2t. Again squaring this. Right. The cancelling this 2, if we cancel it this side, it becomes 21 minus t. Right. Again squaring this, it becomes t into t plus 7 equals 21 square plus t square minus 42t. Right. 21 square plus t square minus 42t. Then this side becomes what? T square plus 7t, right? Equals 21 square plus t square minus 42t, right? This t square and this t square will cancel. Then 7t plus 42t, which is 49t equals 21 square, right? That means 7 square t equals 7 square into 3 square, right? 7 square will cancel, t equals 9. Just by looking at it, we have solved this, but otherwise also we have said that t is 9. But otherwise also we can go the long way and find out that t is 9. But what is our t? T is our x square plus 8x, right? X square plus 8x equals 9. What does that mean? X square plus 8x minus 9 equals 0. So we can split this as 9 minus 1, right? 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. So x square plus 9x minus x minus 9 equals 0. Right, we can take x common, x into x plus 9 minus 1 into x plus 9 equals 0. So x equals either 1 or minus 9. Right, guys? But clearly, we cannot do minus 9. Right? If we take x equals minus 9, this will be negative. Right? This all will become negative. So we cannot take x equals minus 9. So x equals 1 is the answer. This we have to ignore. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. It's a simple problem. Thank you.